Hello, I'm David Meredith, Director of the Irish Board of Dance Performance. The purpose of this video is to show you how to fill out your exam timetable. Fill in your name, the name of your school, and the date of your exam. This is where you'll fill out the time for each group. Enter the start time and type in the first name in your first group. Use the drop-downs to select the exam type and level. Leave the result column blank, that's for your examiner. Type in the names of the other members of the group. And then schedule a 5-minute gap so that the examiner can write up the report sheets. Choose the Time Guidelines tab at the bottom to help you estimate the duration of each exam. And then move on to your next group. Again, schedule a 5-minute gap for your examiner. Please don't forget to schedule some coffee breaks for the examiner and time for lunch. If you have additional information for your examiner, you can type it here. You can fit about 50 names on each page. When you've completed one, just click on the tab to the right for the next page. All the information you put on the timetable is transferred to us automatically, so there's no send button to press. If you need to make any changes to the timetable, you can revisit it through the link in the original email. If you want to add names, it's best to add them at the bottom of the timetable. If you have any queries or need any help filling out your exam timetable, please don't hesitate to contact us.